Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to prevent users from changing theme in Windows. Windows users can choose from a wide range of Windows themes available to customize desktop by changing its colors, sounds, screensavers, desktop backgrounds, and pointers. However, if you do not want standard user accounts to make changes to the themes, you can do so by disabling theme changing settings, though only changing the theme altogether will be restricted. In this video tutorial, let us teach you two methods that you can do to prevent other users, not administrative users, from changing themes on your Windows PC. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First method, from the local Group Policy Editor. Group Policy Editor customizes settings for your computer, preventing theme changes in user configuration category, policy setting of standard account users. To do this, press Windows key plus R key to open Runbox. Then at Runbox type gpedit.msc and press Enter. At Local Group Policy Editor window, click User Configuration to expand it. Then click Administrative Templates to expand it. Next, click Control Panel to expand it. Click Personalization folder. At Personalization section on the right pane, double-click Prevent Changing Theme. Then click the Enabled option. Click Apply to apply changes made, then click OK to exit. Second method, through the Registry Editor. If the specific settings has already been configured through the Group Policy Editor, this method is no longer needed to be performed. Nonetheless, if this method is being used directly, the process must commence from scratch, involving a few technical steps to establish the missing key and value for the specific setting. To do this, press Windows key plus R key to open Runbox. Then, at Runbox type Regedit and press Enter. At Registry Editor window, navigate to the following HK current user folder to expand it. Then click Software folder, click Microsoft folder to expand it. Then click Windows folder to expand it. Click Current Version folder to expand it, then click Policies folder. Next, click Explorer folder. Right-click on Explorer key and then choose New, then select DWORD 32-bit value option. Now name the key as No Themes tab and press Enter. Next, double-click on No Themes tab at right pane. Change value data to 1, then click OK. Exit Registry Editor, restart computer. You can always enable anytime, simply change the value to 0 or just delete the value. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.